survey questionnaire kasi as to the readiness of the school. Nilagyan namin yan doon. In my personal view, marami kasi doon tinatanong na wala tayo. Especially laboratories. Mayroon tayong teacher. Pero, ang problema, wala tayong laboratories for this specific area. Dapat kasi mag-complement yung teacher as a human resource and also the facilities of the school as another type of resources. Kasi when we speak of resources, hindi lang yan facilities. May facilities ka nga, wala ka namang teacher, di makapagturo. Or the other way around. Meron kang teacher, wala ka namang laboratory. Yun. I think doon tayo